Hi everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel today. We're talking about common mistakes to avoid on the keto diet. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet for short, has gained popularity in recent years as a way to lose weight and improve overall health. While this high-fat, low-carb diet can be effective, it's important to make sure you're doing it correctly to avoid common mistakes that can hinder your progress. First, it's important to make sure you're getting enough electrolytes, especially sodium, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients are important for maintaining proper hydration and preventing side effects like the keto flu. Another mistake to avoid is not eating enough fat. On the keto diet, fat should make up a large portion of your daily caloric intake. Make sure you're getting enough healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. It's also important to pay attention to your protein intake. While protein is important for maintaining muscle mass, it's easy to eat too much of it on the keto diet, which can kick you out of ketosis. Make sure you're getting enough protein, but don't overdo it. Finally, be mindful of hidden carbs in your food. Even seemingly healthy foods like nuts and avocados can contain carbs that can add up quickly. Make sure to read labels and track your intake to ensure you're staying within your carb limits. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can set yourself up for success on the keto diet. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and information on living a healthy lifestyle. To get the perfect weight loss plan, follow the keto diet naturally, without taking any weight loss drugs. The description is below the video.